The next topic is tangents, normals, subtangents and subnormals. Yes, tangents and normals, even though they are straight lines, also have lengths, and they have very strictly defined lengths. What are subtangents and subnormals then? If you shine a light on a tangent right from above it, the shadow of the tangent which falls on the x-axis, so to speak, is the subtangent. And similarly, the shadow of the subnormal that falls on the x-axis is the subnormal. If we know the point of at which the tangent and the normal are drawn, then we can use the principles of geometry to find out the lengths of tangent, subtangent, normal and subnormal. Let us look at how this is done. Consider the graph of a function y equals fx. Consider the point P whose coordinates are x1, y1. The tangent at the point P is the line PT, and the normal at the point P is the line Pn. From P, draw perpendicular to the x-axis which meets the x-axis at the point G. PT is the line segment which intersects the x-axis at the point T, and this makes an angle phi with the positive direction of x-axis. Tan of this angle will give us the slope of the tangent, which is equal to derivative of the function at the point P. Therefore, PG will be the y coordinate of the point P, and the distance from G to the origin here will give us the x coordinate of the point P. Using the fact that triangle PTN is a right angled triangle, and using the simple trigonometric definitions used in the right angle, we will be able to find out the lengths of tangent, the lengths of normal, subtangent and subnormal. Let tangent and normal at point P, x1, y1 on the curve meet the x-axis at t and n respectively, as I had shown earlier. If G is the foot of the perpendicular from the point P, then TG is called the Cartesian subtangent of the point P. Gn is called the Cartesian subnormal of the point P. PT is called the length of tangent and Pn is called the length of normal. If the tangent PT makes an angle with angle phi with positive x-axis, then tan phi, as we have already seen earlier, is equal to the derivative of the function with respect to x at x1, y1.